Hello, in this video we will simplify a radical expression. We have fifth root of 32 x to the 12th, y to the 2nd, z to the 8th. The goal is to rewrite this as fifth root of something with the power that is evenly divisible by 5 times fifth root of whatever's left over. Let's begin by factoring 32. 32 is 2 times 16. 16 is 2 times 8. 8 is 2 times 4. And 4 is 2 times 2. Now that we have it in terms of primes, we can see that 32 can be rewritten as 2 to the 5th power. So let's separate our radical. We have fifth root on the left. That will be hosting powers that are divisible by 5 times the fifth root for the leftovers. 2 to the 5. 5 is nicely divisible by 5. So let's put 2 to the 5 in the radical on the left. Let's take a look at x to the 12th. 12 cannot be evenly divided by 5, so let's rewrite x as a product of two bases. 1 less than 12 is 11. We can't divide 11 by 5 evenly. 2 less is 10, so x to the 10th times x to the 2 will give us x to the 12 back. And since 10 is easily divided by 5, let's put x to the 10 on the left. We cannot divide 2 by 5 evenly, so x to the 2nd goes in the left radical. Let's take a look at y to the 2nd. We cannot divide 2 by 5, and we do not have enough factors to rewrite that power as something times a multiple of 5. So y to the 2nd goes into the leftover radical as is, and the last variable we have is z to the 8th. We cannot divide 8 by 5, so let's rewrite z to the 8th as two bases of z, and 8 cannot be divided by 5. 1 less is 7, cannot be divided by 5. 1 less is 6, still cannot divide by 5, but then 3 less, we have a 5. So z to the 5th power times z to the 3rd power, we will get z to the 8th back. And 5 can be divided by 5, so let's put z to the 5 into the left radical times leftover z to the 3. So now we have fifth root of 2 to the 5 x to the 10 z to the 5 times the leftover fifth root of x squared y squared z cubed. So let's take the fifth root. So we get 2 to the 5 out of 5, x to the 10 out of 5, z to the 5 out of 5. That was the whole point, so we can reduce fifth power, times the leftover radical. We have fifth root of x squared y squared z cubed. And this will give us 2 to the power of 5 out of 5 cancels into 1. X to the power of 10 divided by 5 is 2. Z to the power of 5 out of 5 is 1, so just z, times fifth root of x squared y squared z cubed. So 2x squared z times fifth root of x squared y squared z cubed is our solution. That's all.